The main challenge that I'm trying to address through the legal ethics program, or that we are trying to address through the legal ethics program, is really trying to sensitize our people to the importance of making the right decisions. I think there's a tendency in this day and age where we're all incredibly busy, we're time poor, there is a huge amount of pressure on our people, both in terms of time, fee, client and so on. I think sometimes it's easy to forget the little voice on your shoulder that says, you know, what is the right thing? Whose interest am I acting in? And I think what I'm trying to do is to give our people the tools that they already have, but just to remind them about the tools that they already have, to allow them to make really good decisions under sometimes immense pressure. Working with the Corporate Learning Alliance has been a real pleasure. They're really collaborative and open to new ideas and innovative, and that for me is probably one of the most important things. And actually we work closely to design a programme which makes sense in the context of our business, and one which we can then roll out across the globe, taking into account the different cultures you have in different jurisdictions. I think having somebody from the FT involved was actually a really important factor, and for us, you know, in everything that we do, there's always this question around, you know, what could this look like in the press? Having an FT journalist there to bring this home was hugely powerful and made a real impact, and actually was quite fun. So the feedback we're getting is really, really good. It's the first time we've tried something like this. It's completely different to the way that we usually run training programs, and I think that's going down a storm.